Hello everyone, in this part 13 of applications and derivatives, we will do solution of questions related to word problem of maxima and minima. So let's start with this question number 1. Find the numbers whose sum is 24 and product is as large as possible. So let us consider, let numbers be x and y. Let numbers be x and y. Now it is given x plus y is equals to 24. So this is the equation number 1. Now we have to show that product is as large as possible. So let us suppose product by P. This is xy. From equation 1 substitute the value and convert into one variable. So this is 24 minus x from equation 1. Now P is equals to 24x minus x square dp over dx. dp over dx means what is this? 24 minus 2x. Now dp over dx is equals to 0. It implies that x is equals to 12. Find out second order derivative. d2p by dx square minus 2 d2p by dx square at x is equals to 12. But we are getting minus 2 which is less than 0. Therefore, by second derivative test, product is maximum or product is large. Now we have to find out the values also. So from equation 1 we are getting 12 plus y is equals to 24. It means y is equals to 12. Therefore we can say numbers are 12 and 12. Numbers are 12 and 12. Now let's start with the solution of question number 2. Now in question number 2, find the minimum value of ax plus by where xy is equals to c square. So this is the equation number 1. Let p is equals to ax plus by. We have to find out the minimum value of this. So p is equals to ax plus b c square upon x. This is from equation 1. From equation 1, it means dp over dx is equals to a minus bc square upon x square. Now what we will do, dp over dx is equals to 0. It implies that a is equals to bc square upon x square. It means x is equals to plus minus under root bc square upon a. Now first of all we will find out d2p over dx square. d2p over dx square means this become 2 bc square upon x cube. Now first case, if x is equals to under root bc square upon a, it means d2p over dx square at x is equals to under root bc square upon a is equals to 2 bc square upon bc square raised to power 3 by 2 a raised to power 3 by 2. It means this is a raised to power 3 by 2 means which is greater than 0. Therefore p is minimum. P is minimum. It means now we are getting minimum at this point. Therefore required value p is equals to a. Substitute the value of x, bc square upon a plus b. Substitute the value of y is equals to c square upon this is x. It means a upon bc square. It means p is equals to 2 root, what is this, a bc square. So this is the way to find out the minimum value. But here we are observing, we are getting second case also. So in second case we have x is equals to minus under root bc square upon a. It means d2p over dx square at x is equals to minus bc under root bc square upon a is equals to what we are getting, minus 2 bc square a raised to power, what is this, a raised to power 3 by 2 upon bc square raised to power 3 by 2 which is less than 0. Therefore p is maximum at x is equals to minus under root bc square upon a, and in this case required value, substitute the value here, it means P is equals to minus A under root BC square upon A minus BC square under root A upon BC square. Therefore P is equals to minus 2 under root ABC square. So even then in question they are asking for minimum one only, but whatever the cases we have to find out. Now let's start with the solution of question number 3rd. Now in this question number 3rd, show that of all rectangles given perimeter, the square has the greatest area. So in question number 3rd, let length and breadth of rectangle, let length and breadth of given rectangle be x and y, rectangle be x and y. Now we have to show that square has the greatest area. It means we will take the area of this thing, we have to prove maximum, and in that case it is a square. It means we will prove that x is equals to y. Now perimeter is given, perimeter is 2x plus 2y. This is the equation number 1. Regarding area, let us suppose this is xy, convert into one variable x, substitute the value of y. What is the value of y? P minus 2x upon 2. This is from equation 1. Therefore A is equals to, what is this, px upon 2 minus x square. Now d over dx is equals to p upon 2 minus 2x. Now d over dx is equals to 0. It implies that p upon 2 is equals to 2x. It implies that x is equals to p by 4. Now d2a by dx square, d2a by dx square minus 2, d2a by dx square at x is equals to p by 2, which is minus 2, less than 0. Therefore area is maximum. Area is maximum. Now we have to prove that it is a square also. So from equation 1 we are getting p is equals to 2x plus 2y. Substitute the value of p, 4x is equals to 2x plus 2y. It means 2x is equals to 2y. It implies that x is equals to y. Therefore it is a square. It is a square because two sides are equal. So this is the way to solve the question. According to the question we have to make the arrangements. Now let's start with the solution of question number 4th. So in question number 4, show that the height of a closed cylinder of given surface area and maximum volume is equals to diameter of its base. Here it is given the surface area, because it is a closed cylinder, that's why we will take the total surface area. We have to prove that volume is maximum, and in that case height of the closed cylinder is equals to its diameter of the base. So let radius and height of given cylinder be r and h respectively. Now what is the given condition? S, surface area. Surface area is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. This is the given condition first. Now we have to prove that volume. Volume means V is equals to pi r square h. Now we will find out the value of h from equation 1. So what this become? S minus 2 pi r square upon 2 pi r. So this is from equation 1, and we are converting into one variable only. So V is equals to, multiply this thing, it means this become S upon, this is 2 pi r, so this is S upon 2 and this is r, minus 2 pi r cancel out, it means this is pi square pi r cube. Look at this thing, 1 r is cancel out and 1 r is coming from this part, so this is pi r cube. Now we will find out dV by dr. dV by dr means S upon 2 minus 3 pi r square. Now what we will do, dV over dr is equals to 0. It means S upon 2 is equals to 3 pi r square. It means r is equals to, what is this thing? R is equals to S upon 6 pi under root. Now look at this thing, S upon 6 pi. Now we have to find out d2v over dr square. d2v by dr square means minus 6 pi r. It means d2v over dr square at r is equals to under root s upon 6 pi. It means this is minus 6 pi s upon 6 pi, which is less than 0. Therefore, area is maximum. Now, volume is maximum. It is confirmed that volume is maximum. Now we have to prove the second condition. Now look at this thing. We have S is already equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. This is from equation 1. Now we have this condition. Substitute the value of S. What is the value of S? 6 pi R square is equals to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. It means 4 pi R square is equals to 2 pi RH. It means what this become? 2R is equals to H. Therefore, this is the condition that height is equals to diameter of base. Height is equals to diameter of its base. So, in this way, we have to do the conditions, use the conditions and prove that. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.